On a palette, mix equal parts Artistic Clear Correction Gel, strike a chord, and hit them with a high note, using the Artistic No. 7 square brush. Using the same brush, apply the mix over a pre-buffed Artistic Gel On Extension tip. Apply the mix, making sure to cap the edges and cure for 30 seconds in the Artistic LED cure box. When applying Artistic Color Gloss to a Gel On Extension tip, you can skip the bonding gel. Repeat step 2, but this time before curing, add a few random misshapen dots of swag into the wet layer with the corner of your No. 7 square brush. Make sure there isn't too much gel on the brush so you get a nice even cure. We don't want blobs. Once you're happy, cure for 30 seconds in the Artistic LED box. Next, mix equal parts Color Gloss Correction Gel, strike a chord, hit them with a high note, and swag. Apply this mix to the nail, making sure to cap the free edge and don't cure it just yet. This creates a nice sort of brownish shade to add depth. Over this uncured layer, apply some more misshapen dots with swag again, but this time overlap the previous misshapen dots around the edges, as well as in between the negative space, and then cure for 30 seconds in the LED cure box. Repeat the previous 2 steps to add texture and depth, and then cure again in the LED cure box. Be sure to keep very thin layers at this point. We do not want thick gel. Add a final layer of color with the same mix of products and cure for 30 seconds in the LED cure box. Remember to paint thin layers. Apply a coat of Artistic Glossing Gel top coat and cure for 30 seconds in the Artistic LED cure box. Using a lint-free wipe saturated with Artistic Nail Design Surface Cleanser, wipe away the inhibition layer. Ensure to wipe towards the end of the nail and not towards the skin so that there's no uncured monomer going on your customer's hand. Finish with applying Artistic Revive Cuticle Oil or a cuticle oil of your choice to hydrate the skin and nourish. I hope this helped some of you achieve the tortoiseshell look.